Hello friends, welcome to Awdhesh Academy. Friends, I am very happy to announce that we are going to start a new course on essay and answer writing. As we know that essay is a very important part of the civil services paper. It consists of 250 marks, and writing a great essay is very important for success in the civil services examination. So when we are talking about the mains paper, we should understand that it is not only about the knowledge. You may have all the knowledge of the word, but if you are not able to present it properly, you may not be able to get good marks. In fact, sometimes if you present in the wrong manner, then it may backfire and you may get a very bad marks in your examination.
So what exactly are we going to teach you here? What to write in an essay? Certainly yes, but also how to think, plan and write incredible essays. The most interesting and unique feature of our course is a special section for grammar and vocabulary, which generally forms the basis of all forms of communication but are generally ignored by most aspirants.
So we are going to tell you about the different steps which are involved in writing great essays and great answers. How to format it, how to structure it, how to brainstorm, how to put the whole thing into proper perspective, how to sequence it. All those things we will be telling you. This particular course will consist of around 80 to 100 video lessons. We'll be taking some questions from the UPSC papers and we'll explain how we can write the best answer possible, whatever you know in the subject.
Now, much of the grammar we use in our everyday life violates some or the other principles of English grammar. So in this course, we shall also polish our basic concepts of grammar, revise the terminologies and check where we are getting it wrong. We'll discuss about some exceptions, analogies, the proper use of grammar, especially in the context of essay writing and answer writing.
Friends, this is a unique course which is not meant only for the essay paper but for the entire civil services mains paper, which require a good writing skill, good presentation skill, and all those things we'll be teaching you in our course. This course will be taught by me and Shreya, and I'm very sure that you will be tremendously benefited by joining this course.
So let's begin with the course.